Builder Rick here from Craftsman Tiny Homes. So we're always trying to save money, and I started doing more and more cooking in my older age, so I don't have to go to restaurants. I mean, it's not like we're poor. It's just that it's really cool that you get to know what you're eating, what's in the food. I mean, I have enjoyed going to restaurants before, but these days I don't feel like driving. I drive as little as I can. But so our neighbors were out hunting. Let's see, probably last year. Okay, so our next door neighbor shoots a buck, and it looked like it had maybe 8 or 10 points on it from a photograph. And he shot it in the backyard. Yeah, with an arrow. And it was huge. I think he said it was like 180 something pounds, and he had to get a quad and go around to his neighbor's property, to our neighbor's property, get help from somebody to pick it up and put it in the back of his quad, and then of course they processed the meat. That's the cool thing about living out here in the boonies. Now, he made an offer to us. He said, I will trade you guys some deer meats, some venison. He had like hamburger and steaks. I will trade you for 20 eggs. And I guess that's during the egg shortage, right? I don't know if it's still on. I mean, there might still be an egg shortage. But for us, we got plenty of eggs. But anyway, we traded him 20 fresh eggs for a bunch of deer meat. And they had dates on it, and it was professionally processed. And so this batch that we have left, I pulled down a recipe from the internet on how to make venison jerky. And man, you got to see this right there. Venison jerky, right? And this was only a third of what he had given us. We'd already made some hamburgers yesterday, and then we made some steaks. All right, now let's see here. Here we go. Those are our eggs. Look at that. That is just amazing. Okay, so this is after we gave him 20 eggs. I don't know how many are in there. There's probably 15, 18 eggs, something like that. That's the cool thing about living tiny. You trade 20 eggs and you get, that's 1/3, you get 3 times that much meat because it's your neighbor's. But I looked it up, and I don't know whether he knows this, but this stuff is upwards like, I think it's $29 a pound, 26, something like that. And so we traded him 20 eggs. Anyway, he's a real nice guy. And for him, it's nothing for him just to go in his backyard and shoot a deer. Pretty cool. Anyway, hey, if you like these videos, hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the share, and please leave comments. I want to hear your comments, guys. All right.